Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel FHawk. In this video I'll show that how to stream Disney Plus on your Discord. So friends, Disney is not available in my region. No problem, I will show you. First open your Discord app. See my friends, then you have to go to your server. My server is Team Pikachu. I have to go. Then click on one channel. Down corner, share with skin. See my friends, Bijoy Bano announcement and Disney is not. And Disney. Click on it. Then select to resolution and frame rate. Then right side, go live. See my friends, my stream is properly done, and close it. Disney Plus is not available in my region. After watching this video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notification. Till then, take care. Bye bye.